First, draw its head. Make it round. Now its nose and muzzle. Well done! Draw its triangular ears. And long whiskers. Oval body. Excellent! Draw the front paws. Draw 2 straight lines. And a rear paw. Draw a long tail. What an adorable kitten you've made! Making such wonderful pictures. Let's draw a little mouse. First, draw its body. Brown. Now draw its ears. Now draw its nose, a little circle. And its whiskers, short lines. And now draw the mouse tail. Look how fast your mouse runs! Play with your own drawing. Press the buttons and swipe the screen.